So a cool thing with us is that we can customize the scent and the color on almost any product. Now, there are some where it's a little bit more difficult because of the type of raw materials that are in there can sometimes either eat the color or eat the scent. I know that sounds crazy, but that's just how it is. But pretty much within reason on any wax, soap, even some of the ceramic stuff, degreasers too, to a larger extent, we can generally customize the scent and color for you as long as it's something that's in our general scent profile. You know, your cherries, vanillas, pina coladas, all the common sense, we can do that no problem. And if you want something very custom, we can do it. Obviously there's certain minimums for that, but it can be done. Color is not a problem as well. I mean, you know, we have the full spectrum of colors. You have to order at least a drum to get any scent or color customized.